So we are headed where today, Lee? The Old Grove
Farmstead.
And we'll take you on a little tour today. Girls up in the back, I think they are. Are they awake?
I hope so.
Coming up ahead
Right now.
We are at Starbucks and we are actually going out on a day trip, and we've got quite a few people here with us. Meet Jim. He's going to be our driver of the day, and Emmy's here with us, and Emmy's brought her friend Shante with us today, and we're gonna just run in here to Starbucks, get something to start our morning, and then we will be good to go. Good morning, Paul. We're going to get our regular. Ooh, good looking spread.
Just wait, baby. There we go.
Looks great. Let's dig in.
Old Grove Farmstead.
Got the roof of the car on the bottom.
Thank you. Okay, thanks. Diva, yes.
So we have arrived at Old Grove Farmstead. Guess we need a little information, don't we?
I'll make it 5 now. Sure. We are vlogging, Giselle. Is that okay? We're vlogging.
Yeah, sure.
This is Giselle, our host for the day.
Hi.
And
Sorry.
Ria.
And
The lunch? Ah, okay.
Salamat.
Thanks. This is when they conduct weddings. Yeah, this one.
Ah,
Weddings or any parties. That's like their function hall. Perfect weather. My
perfect
goodness.
weather, not too hot.
Not too hot, not raining. And we got wild animals like ducks. Like
Wild animals like ducks, huh? Because you've been here how long ago?
Oh, well, we've been here like 2 or 3 times before, and I was probably when was the last time we were here? I mean, 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago.
Beautiful.
That's gonna be the lunch.
Lunch area up
We go
above.
this way first, babe.
may schedule natin.
Ayun. We were.
Ooh, pretty swimming pool.
Yeah.
Wow, look.
Those are the cabins for overnights, baby.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes, you can. Take off your shoes though.
Very nice. These are all the cabins over here.
Yeah, try and go this way.
As much as I want.
Very nice.
Ganda na. Have you been here before? Di pa?
Not many people out today, huh?
No. Nice, huh?
Very pretty.
I mean, you wanna ride? You wanna do swing together with the? Just do a little bit. Yeah, I mean, you're not heavy enough. You're not heavy enough for Chantel.
Little rain shower.
You can go and view inside.
Go inside.
Sit here. ipa-reserve na lang kaming table mamaya for 5, ha? Here, baby.
Oh, yeah.
You want to play chess?
Chess. You know, I have never learned how to play chess.
Well, that makes the two of us.
And is this a working farm still?
Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. When the rain stops, we can walk around.
Walk around up there.
We
That's
can
where
see
the
some
animals are at?
yeah, all the way down to the bridge. We
Yeah.
have nice small walks to do.
Very nice. Camping rules. Wake up smiling. Relax under the stars. Explore the great outdoors. Tell stories around the campfire. Be grateful for this awesome day. Now, I like that especially.
We'll try and have a walk first. I reserved this table for
Oh,
lunch
did you?
later.
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, baby, come talk to Jan about his driving, where he's based out of, and contact
Interviewin ka daw ni
information.
sir mo. You're based in Cavite, yeah?
Very good.
That's good.
How far will he travel? Day trips and
Wherever the clients would go, you travel, yeah.
very good.
So
Well, we'll put
you
contact
drive every day?
We'll
so-
put contact information down in the description how to
Yeah,
contact
when we
Jan.
post this, we'll put your contact information so people can contact you to hire you for the day or two.
Absolutely. Okay, girls, both in
She-
the pageant together. How long ago was the pageant? 8 months ago?
Nag-queen yan eh.
And you won what in the pageant? Queen of the pageant.
And Chantel won the first, second.
Second. Shanti, did you really? That's awesome. That is awesome.
I, on the other hand, the queen of your heart.
That's exactly right.
The rain
It's a little bit of a rainy day
It's
today, but
actually
it's
nice.
beautiful out.
Yes.
Calm, cool.
You want to look at the well?
Yeah,
We can.
not raining too hard right now.
No, it's okay. A wishing well.
Wishing well.
I wish.
What do you wish? Are you going to let our viewers in on your wish? Little
No, you
secret.
can't tell your wishes because then
Well,
they
that's
don't come
true.
true.
That's true. Ribeye steak. And it's got pasta.
What are you having, Emmy? Pasta.
Looks like Shanti's got wings.
Shanti get buffalo wings. Yes.
She's got
Chicken for Jen and
Very good.
steak for me as well. Okay, everyone. Bon appetit.
So we just had a delicious lunch.
Lunch.
Wow, that was really good.
That was.
Yeah, we'll include the prices and everything on there, but lunch is really good.
Ah, look at them, babe. They're coming. Oh my God.
Hey, hey, what kind of chickens are those?
I don't know what kind of.
Oh, silkie chickens. Wow,
These are turkey.
never heard of it.
Is it turkey?
Those are turkeys.
Yeah, turkey.
Happy
I
Thanksgiving.
mean, that's the one you're looking for. They used to roam around, yeah?
I think you're thinking I have some food.
Okay, ano ko dyan? Ako ihahabol ka dyan.
See?
Ah.
He eats it.
A little bit of grass. So what is it?
Come closer.
Oh, look at it close.
Yeah. Look.
What kind of grass is that?
Well, here.
Oh, look at it close
When you
up.
touch it, they close. Because we call them huya. Huya, it means shy type plant.
Look at them close.
Yeah. See? Wow, look at that.
Whoa.
Quite high, huh? Ooh!
Whoa.
Come on. You're not a scary cat. Hi.
Ah.
Butasan mo na.
Now.
He's gonna chase you. He's gonna chase you.
Have to eat it in your house.
Ah.
What you doing?
Look. You wanna do that?
No, go ahead.
You try.
Go ahead.
You try. Come on.
And maybe this is a dog. Oh, there's a pink pigeon. Pink?
Yeah, yeah.
There. This is a reddish. Then maybe this
They're
is
very
a dog.
gentle.
Yeah.
Dogs. Here, there's more in there.
Ducks are coming. Can I have one for the ducks again? The ducks really look good.
Ay, nakakalabas pala sila dun.
We can get out.
You want some more?
So you got a captive audience right here.
Gentle, gentle. Yeah, but they're very gentle. No, you had enough. You had enough. Do the baby one.
Maybe it's the wind. Look, it's gorgeous.
There you go.
So are we going to rent a canoe today? Go out on the pond?
Not today.
Not today.
No.
Here they come.
They're all coming here. Come on here.
Look at all the way across.
Yeah.
Look at all the way across.
Come on, you want food? Here. Looks like they're running.
So we are coming back in from Old Homestead Farm, and we thought we'd stop at Evia Mall, so that's where we're at. Just going to walk through the mall, maybe get something sweet on our way home. So here we go. Nice mall too, Texas Roadhouse, really nice supermarket. All-day supermarket, beautiful inside. Bake my day. Ah, yeah, bake my day. Cinnamon donut, boy, that looks good. Really nice grocery store. Christmas time in the Philippines. Yeah, buddy. Randy's, this is new. Randy's Donuts. Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm going to have to ask you to exit the donut.
Ah, look, especially maple bars. Emmy, what do you see?
Donuts.
Donuts. I see pink ones.
Nutella. Wait, which one? Okay.
Emmy made the Nutella. Fruity Pebbles too, look at that. So what did you end up getting?
Ito, cappuccino.
So for Nisi and Terry back in Washington State, it's certainly not Sluey's, but it's pretty close with maple bars.
She can't finish the whole thing.
Oh, I can't eat the whole one. Wow. Okay, so it is pretty good to what I've had in the United States. Very good. Good maple. Cake type donut. That's pretty good. So what are you eating then? Is it the Jello pieces?
From your drink. This is the front of the mall.
The front of the mall, yeah. The main area.
Wow, look at Mary Grace coming up there.
Ah. Very nice. Dear Joe, coffee, Mary Grace, one of our favorites coming up over here. Hey, so thanks for being with us today. We had a great day today going to the old homestead farm, and then we came to Evia Mall. Did a little bit of shopping. Girls got a few little things, some clothing, and a few little things, and we had sweets at Randy's Donuts. So we had a good day today. Hopefully you enjoyed following us, and continue to follow us along in the journey. Have a great day, everybody.
See you soon.